This is the Greenco 6-compartment office organizer, and it's made of metal mesh, and it just works wonderfully. It has 6 different compartments, as well as this tray that slips out. This desktop caddy really helps in organization. This pull-out drawer is perfect to put paper clips in or post-it notes. And you can also put post-it notes here on top. It's also perfect for pens as well. And it's perfect for highlighters too. There's even a top compartment, perfect for putting notepad paper as well as envelopes too. And I still have 2 more spots to put whatever I like. This measures 8.75 inches across, and it's 5 inches deep and 5.5 inches tall. This is so stylish and will fit any office decor. I was sent this from Greenco to evaluate and to give my opinion, and I really like it, and I think you will too. Thank you for watching, and hope you found this video helpful.